Hello everyone, welcome to next video lecture episode of Food and Beverage Service Unit 2. As you know, myself Arvind Chauhan, Assistant Professor, BBD University Lucknow. Today I am here to discussing about buffet management, which is Unit 2 buffet management. Alright, so just going through to each and every aspect of the buffet management one by one. Let's start with first buffet style function and introduction and history about the buffet management. I hope student you are very well, so you have to bear with for the certain time with us. Okay, so buffet style function. A buffet style function guest approach the buffet at various service point to select their requirement course by course. As you coming from the completing your training, after completing your training, you all aware about what is the buffet. See, the buffet style function where the guest approach the buffet as its various style point to select their requirement course by course. Most ancillary item may be collected if needed at the buffet. These might include rolls, butter, sauces, napkins, tableware, and like others. The guests then return to their table, consume the meal. Any dirties are then removed by clearing staff at the appropriate time. See what happens. Buffet style. See the buffet service or the buffet style. Buffet is basically is a French word. Buffet. It is a French word which means a sideboard. Which means a sideboard. Buffet is a French word which means a sideboard. Okay. Buffet is a meal where guests lever their table to choose from food, a selection of dishes which are displayed. Buffet literally stands for sideboard. The food is presented in such a manner that the guests can serve themselves. See, the food is presented in such a manner where the guests can choose their food according to his or her choice. Alright? Buffet literally stands for the sideboard. So buffet is a word, is a French word. It means a sideboard. The food is presented in such a manner that the guests can serve themselves. Full buffet, where all kind of food are used, some requiring carving or skill service, are usually served from behind the buffet by member of kitchen staff. Okay. To avoid confusion as to which food item or to go in which container, a small removable table label may be placed on the container during setup. So you understand about what is the buffet and how the buffet word comprise history about the buffet. Buffet basically is a French word which means a sideboard or side table. The food is presented in such a manner that the guests can serve themselves and enjoy the meal, right? So buffet function style, guests approach the buffet. So guests approach towards the buffet in a various service point to select their requirement course by course. Most ancillary item may be also called is needed. So see what we have to do, we have to place a food in such a manner so that guests can easily access the food. Alright? Okay. What next is what are the types of buffet? So let's discuss one by one. Knife and fork buffet. First one is the knife and fork buffet. Knife and fork buffet is also called as sit down buffet. Knife and fork buffet is also called as the sit down buffet. This is where the guests return with whatever food they have chosen to a table which has been prepared. So what happens in knife and fork buffet is also called as a sit down buffet. So as the name suggests, knife and fork. Knife and fork, it means if we are using knife and fork while eating the food, so you have to put your plate somewhere on the table, right? So that's why it's a sit down service, or it's a sit down buffet. So this is where the guests return with whatever food they have chosen to a table which has been prepared. Alright, that is considered as a knife and fork buffet. I hope you're getting it, sir. Knife and fork buffet is actually this is there, for example, in the formal parties, right? In a formal parties, in a formal banquet, there are the 300 businessmen having lunch together. So at the time they suggest, they consider the knife and fork buffet, because they don't want to have the food by standing, right? So that's why they refer the restaurant, they refer the large banquet where they can sit down and enjoy the meal. Alright, so there would be a sitting arrangement on the table, there would be the waiters, there would be a waitress who assists the buffet along with the guest choice, right? Then the guests can enjoy themselves and they come to the table and sit down, where waiting staff have to take the order of the water, have to take order of the beverage. So beverage order will take by the service staff, right? And the waiters also serve the bread as per the availability of the food in the buffet. Alright, because the bread session is not there in the sometime buffet if it is directly come from the kitchen area. Okay, next is the fork buffet. Okay, what is fork buffet? Fork itself, name itself is only using fork, not a knife, right? So it's usually stand-up meal. So fork buffet is also called as stand-up buffet, where guests would collect their cutlery, napkin and food from the buffet table. The dishes on offer are prepared in such a way that the knife is not required by the guest. Staff is usually one hand throughout the meal to fill, drink or offer extra portion. If required, some sitting may be available. So in the case fork buffet usually the stand-up meal. Alright, it's usually a stand-up meal where the guests would collect their cutlery from the buffet, napkin from the buffet, food from the buffet, right? Dishes are offered or prepared in such a way that the knife is not required by the guest. Staff is usually on one hand throughout the meal to fill, drink or offer extra portion if required. Some sitting may be available, right? So this buffet is considered as a fork buffet, where there is no provision for the sitting, but the less amount of provision for the sitting is available. Clear? Okay, once again I'm telling you, fork buffet is a buffet where the food is take from the buffet and enjoy without sitting arrangement. So you have to stand up and then you can consume your meal, right? There is no sitting arrangement. In case of any availability of sitting, then you can sit and enjoy the food as well. Okay, next is the finger buffet. Okay, what is finger buffet? Finger buffet, guests help themselves to light snacks from the buffet table. Again, the food is prepared in a small bite-sized pieces which required no cutlery. Staff circulate throughout the full drink and collect empty plates if required. Some sitting may be available. So finger buffet, the word itself, the word says finger, it means the food is chosen by the fingers, right? So food also placed in the buffet in such a way that the food can directly pick by the hand, Alright, while there is no requirement for the cutlery and crockery. So again the food is prepared in a small bite-sized pieces which require no cutlery. Staff circulate throughout to fill full drink and collect empty plates. If required, some setting may be available. So in the finger buffet and in the fork buffet there will be some setting is available. So how many kind of buffet are? There are 3 kind of buffet: fork buffet, fork and knife buffet, and finger buffet. Fork and knife buffet is also called as sit down buffet. Fork buffet is also known as stand up buffet. And finger buffet, the food is chosen by the hand. There is no provision for the cutlery, and the food is placed in such a way where the bite size pieces is available. Okay, all right. Next is display and decoration. Buffet table can also be decorated to enhance the image of the hotel or restaurant, and also to create an impact on the guests as they arrive. So some point is considered when arranging a display or decorating the buffet art. Okay, display and decoration. Display and decoration is very important because it's enhance the image of the hotel or a restaurant. Yes, of course, if you are using the good atmospheric condition, good layout, table layout is good, right? Buffet setup is good. You are using different kind of tools while using the buffet. So the display and decoration is very important for the buffet. All right. So let's go one by one. What are the display and decoration point? First would be a focal point. Focal point, this is usually a centerpiece of the buffet. What is focal point? Focal point is usually a centerpiece of the buffet which catches the eye immediately on entering. See, focal points. See, when you entering the hotel, we found different kind of decoration, different kind of design, different kind of display food items, different kind of props we are using in the hotel industry. So these are give the unique character to the buffet, right? So the focal point is usually a centerpiece of the buffet which catches the eye of the guest. Okay, it could be a particular dish. Yes, it could be a particular dish, a floral display, or even perhaps a statue, or maybe ice carving, butter sculpture, large fruit or confectionery displays. So for the focal point we can place the ice carving, like statues, different kind of large props like large foods, or the confectionery displays. Confectionery displays considered like the floating chocolate fountain, right? And another different kind of confectionery item you can place on the buffet, right? You can place the bread rolls, you can place the bread loaf, because bread loaf is nowadays designing in different way. So these are the considered as the focal point. Next would be the color. Okay, color is again a very important impact put on the buffet. While placing the buffet, color gives a very presentative look and attractive, and creates the new interest to the buffet. So color is very important on a buffet. It makes the presentation very attractive and create interest. Contrasting color between the food and decoration can look spectacular. However, be cautioned not to overdo the amount of color, or it will lose its effect. So color is very important on a buffet. It makes the presentation very attractive and create interest. Contrasting colors between the food and decoration can look spectacular. However, be cautioned, do not overdo the amount of color. So color actually, if you go anywhere and attending the parties of the buffet, nowadays the hotel industry using different kind of colors lighting on the buffet, right? You must have seen the hotel industry using different kind of lighting props also. They put a particular different lighting on the buffet area, where you have to identify it, and you have to for the looking good attractiveness of the buffet, right? So color is very important role play into the preparation of the buffet. You have to maintain the harmony of the buffet by using different kind of color coding lightings, right? Because lighting gives the good ambience, good atmosphere, and the uniqueness of the particular buffet items. Okay. Next is height and depth. Okay, height and depth is important because it's maintain the positioning of the item on the buffet and add the impact to the buffet, and food item placed on different level more interesting on the flat buffet tables. So for example, I want to show you some images. Just a moment. Alright, so you can see here there is images consist of different kind of food, different kind of buffet layout as well, right? And different kind of food is display over here. Different kind of cheese buffet you can see here. There's a dessert and a salad, right? And next is you can see the centralized theme or the ideas of the buffet placing. Stylish presentation of food in volume, professional and knowledge service, food selection and grouping, lot of showmanship is required, attractive and imagination table setting and configuration. This point is very important while designing at the buffet layout, right? Preparation of the buffet. Minimum staff due to the self-service concept. Alright. Presentation, fall themes. So this you can see the image, how you can present the food is very important. Presentation is the increasing of selling price, increasing the selling dishes. Okay, all right. So we were talking about the focal point and color and height and depth of the buffet. Okay. Focal point, you can see if you find this image, it is visible to everyone on your screen. You can see on your screen there are the focal point. So focal point is, you can see on the buffet, this is the different kind of fruit basket, right? And there would be a different dishes is considered as a focal point, and height of the food and depth of the food you can see here. Because the positioning of the food is very important in the buffet. Positioning of the food, you can see on the image, they are using different kind of props for putting the different food item on a different level, isn't it? So you can see on the image there the bread roll putting on the table, round table, and then they use the different approx 6 inches height of prop, and then put the bread roll over on the prop. Excuse me. So that's why the height and positioning of the buffet is very important, and it's also necessary so that the guest can reach easily towards the food, towards the buffet, because we have to always take care the guest convenience, because the guest convenience is very important while designing, while preparing the buffet food. Alright. About the color, you can see they are using different kind of color on the buffet area. They are using different type of color in a different corner on the different food, and nowadays hotel industry using different kind of lighting to heat the food as well, right? So lighting is also used to heat the product and maintain the temperature of the food as well. Okay, you can see here, this is the ambience of the buffet. Different lighting, different focal point. This is the flower arrangement behind the buffet, right? So this creates the uniqueness and eye appealing of the guest. Okay. Another important point is the live station. Okay, see, every buffet there would be any kind of live station. A live station, it sense the person who, the chef who is preparing food front of the guest as per the guest choice. Could be a pasta station, could be a dessert, could be in Indian is jalebi station, jalebi preparation of jalebi, could be the pasta, could be you can say is the grilled turkey, or the you can say the post roast turkey, right? So the whole meat is put on the table, put on the station, and guest give as per the guest, chef will give you as per the guest choice. Okay. Okay, so type of buffet, there any other certain types of buffet also, like a seasonal festive buffet, ethnic buffet, display buffet, event and occasional buffet, right? And three buffet you already knows. So display buffet means used for at side promotion of a particular theme, cheese, wine, pasta, spices, dessert, chocolates, Easter confections. So display buffet is where if you want to do some promotion, certain promotion to a particular dish or a particular theme itself, right? What kind of theme itself? Maybe you are promoting for the pasta, so you have to place a different variety of pasta on the buffet, right? In certain events. And if you want to promoting wine, so you have to place a different kind of wine on the buffet. Similarly, if you want to promoting your spices, then you have to place the spices on the buffet. Okay, same as the chocolates and the other things as well. Okay, meal period buffet consists of breakfast, lunch, dinner, tea, brunch, supper for the midnight. Okay, so meal period buffet, it means a particular meal which is happening in a particular time. Okay, waiter service for resort hotels. Rooms usually sold on a CP, MAP, AP, Continental Plan, Modified American Plan, and American Plan. Okay, let's tell you what is CP, what is MAP, and what is AP. CP is a Continental Plan, only consists of breakfast and room. American Modified Plan is consists of breakfast, lunch, or there is choice of lunch and dinner or the room. And American Plan is consist of room rent plus breakfast plus lunch plus dinner. So breakfast plus all meal, room plus all meal, you can say. Essential service offered by the hotel to residents as well as non-residents guests. So essential service offered by the hotel to residents and non-residents guests as well. Lunch buffet popular in CBZ, commercial or residential area, and cater to wide clientele. Okay, folk buffet you all know, I already discussed. Next is the sit down buffet. There is a less limitations of the menu items, comfort for the diners, cans of wine and spirit with the ease, proper table layout and authentic presentation. Several courses and cuisine can be offered for variety. Entertainment can be coupled with the meal service. Another one is the event buffet or the occasional buffet. Event buffet is where like food and decor revolve around the theme of event and occasion. So event buffet itself, if we are planning for the certain kind of theme lunch, certain type of theme buffets, right? So where we can serve the particular cuisine food to the buffet. That is the occasional and the event buffet. Challenging hence stimulates activity and innovations. Ethnic themes must be well reached for authenticity of cuisine, accessories and decoration. Okay, next is the Easter buffet. Easter buffet where the different kind of religious items are placed onto the buffet, right? There the original props are used. That's a Easter buffet. Planning of buffet. Okay. Planning of the buffet, we required space available, layout and dimensions of the venue, number of guests, seating plan, time allocation for service, design and traffic flow of the buffet station, two-way buffet floors. Alright, so planning of the buffet is very important because space allocation, space available, because space availability is important. If we have a sufficient space so that we can you can lay out and we can structure the buffet table in a different dimensions, right? Number of guests sitting and sitting plan is available, time allocation for the service, design and traffic flow of a buffet station and a two-way buffet station. Okay, two-way buffet station, a single-way buffet station. There is a different buffet station we will learn in buffet configuration. Okay, ease of service equipment and buffet signs, light and powder needs, focal point. So these are the point which is considered while planning the buffet. Okay, this is also important. Types of the buffet style and thematic concept, food and beverage features, buffet equipment, buffet presentation, tiering, centerpiece, props, linen, backdrop. So these are the including in the buffet presentation, because centerpiece you all know is the focal point. Different props we are using in the preparation of the buffet. Yes, linen is also play important role, because we have to place a linen which is very much color coded in a buffet. There will be a good hygienic, right? And highlighting and spotlighting. See, highlighting and spotlighting is play a major role on the buffet. If I have to okay, so highlighting and spotlighting. Highlighting and spotlighting is play a major role while planning for the buffet, because if we are placing anything on the buffet, if we highlight it by the lighted, if we focus the particular things by the lighting, that creates a good appearance and a good presentation key point on the buffet, right? Cost analysis and management. Yes, of course, we have to know each and everything which is essential for the buffet, and cost analysis is required during the buffet preparation as well. Okay, as you can see here, this is the classic station, buffet station, where the placing things is in certain sequence, right? Like fork and linen pocket, number one. Then the plates is sitting over here. Then violet candles. Then fork. Then napkins. Then grilled New Zealand lamb. In tomatoes Napoleon. Then baby lettuce sponge, roundlet, and haricot wort. So it means we have to place a buffet in a certain manner where there will be combination of menu. So the good menu is also affect the buffet. Okay. Okay, here you can see the buffet equipments. So buffet, if we talk about the buffet equipment is there is a key, there is a format of using the buffet equipments. right? So we have to prepare a checklist for that. Excuse me. We have to prepare a checklist for that, and by the checklist we have to segregate the numbers of the buffet equipment which are mandatory for 100 guest buffet, right? So we have to prepare in a such a way so that if we are planning for the buffet, we can just take the equipment checklist and segregate the items by the checklist. So that would be very easier for while presenting the buffet, right? Okay. See, the buffet actually is there would be a two-way flow of the buffet. So flow of the buffet is also very important. Flow of the buffet, it means minimize the footfall or the budginess or the like guests can easily consume the food without disturbance of the food, right? Okay, highlighting and spotlighting is done. All right. So thank you so much. We will see you in next video with the same topic.